Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Homebase how to add new employees. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are an admin or manager and want to add employees in Homebase, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser on your PC. It's more convenient on PC. Then once there, type in Homebase Manager login and then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside there, simply sign into your account and then click on the new icon at the top left menu and select Add Staff Member, or go to the Team tab and click Add Staff Member in the top right corner. The next is to provide their name, email address and phone number. If the email has already been used in the system, you won't be able to add that user again. The next is to set access level, choose between full manager access or mobile access only, then assign communities or location by selecting which communities or location the staff members should access, then configure their permissions, either use quick select toggles for full access or select specific rooms or doors manually, then set which type of alerts or notifications the staff member should receive. The new member will receive an email invite prompting them to set their password and download the Homebase mobile manager app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.